Uh, as soon as your ball go up high, you must get into your feet early. Next, forehand drive. Forehand drive is used in all parts of the attack. Start with your racket and down. It is different to the smashing. Down and go up. Down and go up like this. Make the contact is very important. Make the contact be fast brushing stroke to generate top spin and lift the ball like this. Too much spin.